The previous owners of my house did something weird. When they moved out, they took the doorbell and the wiring for it with them. Thankfully, Arlo's video doorbell system doesn't need wires and can be installed in a few minutes. And now, instead of just a simple doorbell, I've got a high-tech video and communication hub mounted next to my front door. The 2K video feed provides me with a 180-degree field of view showing everything that happens in front of my home. And because it has built-in two-way audio, I can communicate with delivery people when they come to drop off packages.
Thanks, man. Yeah, you can just leave it on the front porch.
There's even pre-recorded options if I'm busy at a meeting. Plus, the Arlo Secure app has AI-powered notifications, which means I only get notified if it's something important. To get your own video doorbell, go to arlo.com and use my code ZACH15 to save on your next order.